Hey there, astronomy enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we are diving into an incredible DIY project that's putting a small region on the global astronomy map. Prepare to be amazed by the dedication and innovation of one man, Kenton Dyck, and his quest to build a unique sky camera. Kenton Dyck, the driving force behind the Pembina Valley Astro Club, is on a mission to bring the wonders of the cosmos to the masses. He's been hosting sky viewing events, inspiring students, and amassing an impressive collection of astronomy gear. But his latest endeavor is truly out of this world. Dyck is crafting an AllSky Camera, a device that's part camera, part scientific instrument. This bad boy will be his very own eye in the sky, capturing images of the night sky every 2 seconds. But here's the kicker, it's not something you can just buy off the shelf. Dyck is building it from scratch, soldering wires, and writing custom code. Talk about a labor of love. This camera is like a sentinel, constantly watching the sky. It's designed to track meteors, capturing those fleeting moments of light, as they streak across the darkness. But it doesn't stop there. With a magnetometer and a barometer on board, it can also monitor aurora and weather patterns. Imagine having a personal lightning detector with a 150-kilometer range. What makes this project even more fascinating is its accessibility. Dyck is a true believer in sharing the beauty of the universe. Anyone, anywhere in the world, will be able to log into this camera and witness the night sky over Pembina Valley in real time. It's like having a virtual window to the stars. But the real impact goes beyond pretty pictures. This camera will join the global AllSkyCams network, a community of astronomy enthusiasts sharing data and images. It will be the first of its kind in the prairie provinces and the third in Canada, contributing valuable information to scientists worldwide. This is citizen science at its finest. What I find truly inspiring is the motivation behind this project. With funding cuts affecting major scientific organizations like NASA, Dyck saw an opportunity to contribute. Scientists are reaching out to the public, asking for help in gathering data. It's like a global collaboration, where everyday people can play a role in advancing our understanding of the universe. As Dyck continues to build and program this camera, he's also fostering a sense of community. He's engaging with fellow enthusiasts, sharing knowledge, and inspiring others to explore the wonders of astronomy. This project is a testament to the power of passion and the impact one person can have on a global scale. So, keep an eye out for the Pembina Valley Astro Club's latest creation. It's a shining example of how one person's dedication can make a difference, and how science can be a collaborative effort that brings us all closer to the stars. Stay curious, my friends, and keep looking up.